So this is in the holes. I'll tighten this so it doesn't slip in the future. Hold them on place. But it goes right in the scubbard holes like that on the bottom. Keeps it off the ground, and then you can hold the thing like a dog on a leash with the handle on the front of the kayak or back of the kayak, whichever side of the kayak you want. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Okay, this is the heavy duty kayak cart on TEMU. See the bright yellow, bright orange wheels, easy to see on the thing. You say, what kind of cart is that? Well, this goes in the scubbard holes of a sit on top kayak. That is the holes that let the water out when you're riding in it. I would show you how to put it together, but it's really very simple. It came in just like 5 parts here, 4 parts. Just screw this thing on. Actually, I'm not even sure I screwed that on. Nope, I didn't. It was already included that way. And it comes apart really easily, so I can do that too. So if you don't want to leave it full size, that comes off this way. The wheel, oh yeah, wheel comes off easy too, just like that. And there you finish taking it apart. Well, that was easy. Take the pin out, the other pin, and what I do with this? Oh, that. So that's what comes in the box. Really easy to put back together. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Just grab the pin, stick it in, and the pin lock goes around the wheel. Grab the other one, stick it on. And the pin lock go around the wheel. One way or the other, I don't think it matters which direction. Holds it on. And this goes on. This part's a little bit trickier. I want to make sure that these, because they're angled, go on the same direction. It won't really make a big difference, but you'll like it better if you do it that way. Stick the pin in with the quick release. Snap that into position. So pin, snap that into position. Grab the other one. Make sure I get the angle the same. Okay, good. Put it on. Put the pin in. Now line up the hole wherever the hole is. Come on, hole. There we go. So that's in, across. Snap the pin on and back together. So that's it. It's supposed to hold 280 pounds, which means I could carry probably 3 kayaks on a thing at once or something. You know, stacked on top of each other, attached somehow, but it only sticks out far enough to put one kayak on this, so the other part would not be. And then you ride it right along. These nice wheels. The wheels are hard plastic, but they're pretty wide, about 4 inches wide, and very light. So, you know, it'll work. For the price I paid for it, excellent deal. Definitely an excellent deal for the price I paid for it.